Haven, what do you have?
I see.
And what are you going to do with him?
Put him on the big rock.
Okay. Ooh, careful with him. We don't want to hurt him. All right, put him on the rock. Let him go. There. Oh, he fell down. Oh, there he goes into the woods.
No, no.
What? What's the matter?
I know what I want to go.
He's not a worm. What is he?
I know.
Ooh, you got a mosquito.
I know what the to go away.
Really? Why? Don't you want him to be safe in the woods?
No.
Why not?
Because I love him.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. He has to live in nature.
No. I know what live him in the nature.
Where do you want him to live?
I know I want to live anywhere.
Oh, where do you want him to go?
I know what anything to happen. I would start to hold him.
I know, baby.